what's going on, guys? Master Stuff 2010 here. Daily upload number 4? I think it's number 4. Yeah, well, daily upload. So, hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. And yeah, that's all, I think, for the intro. Bye-bye. I don't know if I'm in heaven. Oh, why am I seeing stars? Oh no.